will be hot. It is not hot, but it is decent right now. But I am appreciative of the weather that we have and happy to see you guys on here looking at me and my ugly mug. Guess what? We have a project that we don't do every day, but it's something you might see. It's a Masonite Sided double wide home. Of course, it has vinyl siding on it now. But the Masonite, which I'm pretty sure I've talked about many times, wick back and damaged the floor joist and the ridge beam which ties all the floor joists together. So we're going to have to take the deck off and the boards that are on the deck frame and cut those back, get rid of the damaged siding and the new siding that's on top of it, and then get rid of the bad ridge beam and reinforce and put new boards where needed. So this is quite this journey. So let's go here and take a look at some of it. You will not have seen all the effort that we went into to get the materials, coming out here and estimating and talking about what we could do. You have not seen us unloading the deck or sweeping the deck or setting up today, but you'll get to join from this point. In the fall, they can see the lake, but in the, with all the leaves in, they don't see it so well. But they want to eventually add on to this deck. But right now, we need to fix what's underneath this beautiful vinyl siding and fix it so the floors will quit caving in. So that means us taking off this area through here, pulling up the nails, getting to the frame, cutting that back, getting to the ridge beam and the floor joist. But we don't want this deck to fall down the hill, so we've got a brace from here down there. That's why we got bug spray on us now, and we smell like the you'd think that the bug spray would have some kind of chemical that smells good, because they can make drinks taste good. They can do all kinds of chemicals to make things smell good, but not that. They want you to know it's toxic. So anyway, we got the toxic stuff on us to keep the bugs from biting us, and maybe that may shorten our lifespan, but that's what we did, because we don't like the bug bites. And we will show you what the end result of that climbing down in there and bracing to here looks like when we get to it.